Hi, I'm Janie, and here is today's technology tidbit. Do you have to send an Excel spreadsheet somewhere, but it's too large to get where it needs to go? No sweat. We have a trick to show you. Save a copy of that spreadsheet with the file extension XLSB. And what that will do is Excel will actually save a version that is 75% smaller than its original. So you can send that bad boy wherever it needs to go. Using XLSB as your file extension to reduce an Excel document by 75% is today's technology tidbit. Do you have a tip that you think we should cover? Well, let us know below in the comments. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe the channel. That way you never miss any of our content. And with that, I will see you next week.